Mira,
From Mexico?
sí, pero ¿habla español?
No, not really.
Sí,
Yeah, just a teeny.
un poquito.
Yeah.
Casi 14 años sin ir a mi tierra donde nací. Ya todo ha cambiado, le ruego a mí. ¡Ánimo, mamacita! Me gusta todo de ti, tu sonrisa, tus ojos, tu cara y esta forma tan dulce de hablarme. Oye, la canción. Yo
Okay.
un poco negro, yo soy negro, pero con familia en Guerrero, soy de Guerrero,
Oh,
México.
you in a oh, so you mixed?
Sí,
Okay. So which one, mom or dad?
hey, my father is from
Oh, your
Jamaica.
dad.
Yeah, father from Jamaica is my
Really?
mom. Hey,
You been in Jamaica?
Ruan, uno, cinco.
Thank you for the likes, Cash.
Sí,
Thank you for the like, Mookie Butt.
sí.
Cash,
Born here, you?
me?
Sí.
Say it again.
You're mixed?
No, I'm not. I'm just
Sí.
black, just African American.
Is that, ¿cómo?
Just African American.
Oh, africano americano. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Sí, I like it. I want to travel there in America.
You want to?
Want to come there?
Yeah, and you will. Just yeah, get here. It's fun. It's a whole bunch of a lot.
My friend told me I could cross the border to get there. Right? Walk across
Really?
it. Sí.
For real? So basically he escaped.
Yeah, like, sí.
For real? So basically he escaped.
Yeah, like walk across the border there.
Oh, he walked across the
You
border.
walk across the border. So he was telling me I could do the same thing, but because my English is not good.
Was it dangerous?
Now is a walk in the street like
Oh, I thought y'all couldn't do that.
no, is it because the fence there? Is Donald Trump is the fence? Yeah, very tall.
He was willing to do that.
Yeah, he's telling me if I do this, he's gonna sell someone to pick me up there.
Oh, okay. Maybe you should. Yeah, come here.
Then I come here there because I sing very good songs there.
Yeah, you might get signed. You might get,
Ahora que estoy aquí.
famous.
Con el alma bien dolida, hace cuánto me diga que tú me... ¿Qué pasó, amigo? ¿Hablas español?
Yo hablo un poco español nomás, nomás.
¿De dónde eres? ¿México?
No México.
Yo pi...
Ay, Dios mío, un momento, por favor.
pido en Fisenia ko kuchkuli na buhay. Ya kude. Ada tapi biasa na ko lupa ya bibi ko booking front ay ayan no ay Spanish ita ayan no. Porque
¿Hablas inglés? ¿Hablas inglés?
ya habla un poquito inglés.
Poco.
My dad from my dad from India, but my mom from Mexico.
I'm from Colorado.
Oh, you're from Colorado.
¿Qué?
No me sono molte ko ng buko na people and go school because I see you come sa mi avesa chapio.
Understand your raps.
¿Ah? ¿Perdón?
Yo no comprendo usted raps.
Oh, you go to you learn Spanish in school?
Oh, sí. Sí.
Sí.
I learned a little bit of Spanish in school.
Tú, sí. So me say you must stay in a school and take up on a book because when the parents send you to go to school, you go like say on audience. You understand?
Yes, amigo. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás ahí?
Voy a hablar para esta persona. Hey, I'm going to be your translator.
Oh, es un translator.
Ajá.
Bueno,
Pues, mi amigo no sabe hablar en español.
también no está preguntando, no sé de dónde eres, tu familia.
Oh, he's saying where your family's from.
Oh, no sé.
No sabe.
Oh, no sabes dónde. Ah, sí, yo pensaba que eres mexicano.
He says that you thought that you were Mexican.
Oh, sí. Yo mexicano.
Yo te le invité a copiar un book. Sí, pero
He's like,
yo porque ahorita cantaron banda corrido in Orlando.
Oh, he's like, you know, like any like